Use an oven probe thermometer. An oven thermometer is a significant part of a kitchen. It is a device that provides accurate oven temperature readings and ensures that there's enough heat for your cooking and baking needs. Having an oven thermometer really helps a lot in keeping the right temperature and proper heat distribution. You can be sure to have flawlessly baked meat and pastries. There are numerous types of oven thermometers, but be sure to choose the one that suits your oven. The probe oven thermometer is generally used to determine food temperature by inserting a metal probe. It has three types, namely the electric cord, the instant red, and the wireless oven thermometer probe. So with this in mind, you should be able to select one that fits your needs. To know how to use an oven probe thermometer, follow the guidelines below. Getting started. Check your unit and see if it's working. Test your thermometer first by inserting about 2 inches of the thermometer's stem in boiling water, and you should see that it reads 212 F. Once you're done checking, push the power on button to get started. Stick it in the meat. If you're roasting chicken or turkey, put in the thermometer in the thigh area, making sure you do not reach the bone. For beef or pork, you should insert the unit in the middle of the part where there's most meat again, without going all the way into the bone. Probe thermometers just have a metal probe inserted into the meat, and the digital reader is positioned outside the oven. Once you've stuck the metal probe in the meat, you can now set it to your desired temperature. This way you can monitor the food being cooked via the digital reader. Setting your temperature. This is the most vital part of this process. You need to know how to set the temperature of your oven probe thermometer, and it varies with each food you are about to cook. This way you are sure the food is safe to eat. For ground beef, lamb, or pork, set it to 160 F. If you want it medium rare, set it to 145 F, medium at 160 F, and well done at 170 F. For pork roast, steaks, and chops, medium at 160 F, well done at 170 F. If you want to cook or just heat ham right before you eat it, set it at 140 F and well done at 160 F. For poultry products like ground chicken and turkey, set it at 165 F, and for whole chicken and turkey turn it up to 165 F. Stuffing either as standalone or in a chicken or turkey, use 165 F of heat. Egg and casserole dishes at 160 F, and if you want to reheat leftovers, Put the temperature at 165 F. Cooking, roasting, baking now made easy and accurate with using an oven probe thermometer. No need to worry about uncooked food that could harm your tummy. Remember to keep notes of the temperature for each meat handy at all times and you will never go wrong. You can now enjoy a hearty meal every day.